Hey beautiful, I'm so glad you clicked on this video. Welcome to my channel. Why not watch till the end to see how I achieved this flat twist roll and tuck updo. So I'm starting on clean, moisturized and stretched hair. At this point, I was trying to decide the direction my flat twists are going to face. I always end up doing a side part though. I honestly didn't have any style in mind at this point. I knew I wanted flat twists though, so I spent a bit more time on my pattern, though as you can see I wasn't big on perfection. At the end, it covered up nicely. So I'm just wrapping up this section and moving on. So I decided to section it from my ear to do some flat twists. Then for the rest of the hair, at this point I really didn't know what to do with it. That was when I came up with the roll and tuck. So I sprayed some water and added my leave-in conditioner mostly to the ends just to soften up the hair. Rolled it and tucked it with a pin. I didn't have any specific design in mind. I was just grabbing random chunks of the hair. Tried to, cover up spaces and hide my bobby pins. I had a mirror in front of me, but I wasn't actually seeing the back of my head. I'm just glad you're able to see it. One of the wonderful characteristics of our kinky hair is that it can be molded to any shape and it just looks beautiful. Look at that. Don't mind the bobby pins. I'm going to redo that particular one. Now on to the second section of hair. I decided to make 2 flat twists. I actually feel I should have made it 3. The first one was quite thicker than it should have been, but all good. So my hair is really detangled, so I didn't have to do much detangling. So I start to flat twist, and I wanted my flat twist to go up, if you understand what I'm saying. See what I said about this section should have been 2. So I just noticed my face was too serious. And I just found a spot to pin it into the rolled up hair. And now onto the last section. This style is very quick. It's, this is usually what I love to do as my go-to low manipulation style, because frequent puff is bad for your edges. No that and no peace. So I parted this section into 3 because I didn't want my flat twists too tight. I still wanted them a bit loose and full looking. For loose flat twists, you just have to maintain a light grip on your hair, and take bigger sections too. And also when you get to the end, keep the twist loose so that it has a bit of give. What I love about flat twists is that you can never flat twist too tight. Really, they are twists. Just like single twists, they snap back as soon as you let go. This whole style is really just the flat twist, and it's still quick. I'm sure if you don't know how to flat twist, you can braid loosely. I'm sure it will still look cute, or you can just roll the hair. Yeah, that should work too. Just roll the hair and you get almost the same effect. So at this point, I was trying to decide what to do with the ends of the twists. So I decided to braid them together, twist the ends, and just find somewhere to tuck them in. And luckily they stayed in. Ooh, I'm done, guys. Tell me, what do you think about this style? It's simple, it's easy to achieve, it's very, 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 very light on the edges. Look at that. Look at the back. Like, the back looks very chic. I'd like you to comment below, where do you think you can wear this style to? Work, wedding. If you've watched to this point, thank you so much for staying with me. Please consider subscribing. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'm so grateful. Bye.